Larry Kudlow stopping in the White House North Lawn driveway here to talk to reporters for a couple of minutes. I asked him if we see a sell-off this morning, this was just before the markets open, I said, is that a healthy thing, like the White House said when talking about some of the selling that we saw last week? He said that he checked early this morning and ultimately the stock market is just down about 5% from its peak earlier in the year. He said that's not much. That's not much. I also asked him if he thought that in any way the president's trade policies were responsible for some of the weakness in the markets. Here's how we answered that question.
I think the stock market is worried that Congress will change and will overturn these pro-growth policies. I really believe that. I think that the so-called correction, and I've said before, as you know, these things come and go, that correction has to overcome the uncertainty about this election.
So Larry Kudlow there putting it very much in political terms, saying that what the market's really worried about here is the upcoming election, just 14 days away from those midterms. But he did acknowledge, I pointed out to him, that, of course, even if Democrats take over the House and the Senate, they're not going to be able to pass and get implemented a reversal of the tax cuts under the president, because presumably the president wouldn't sign such a repeal and replace effort on the tax cuts. Larry Kudlow acknowledging that's correct. The president would not sign any Democratic passed bill that would reverse his tax cuts. But he said that the markets might be worried and jittery a little bit in terms of the political uncertainty just 14 days out from that midterm election, guys.